Hello and welcome to my first video tutorial on XHTML and CSS. In this first video, I want to give you a little introduction to XHTML and CSS. First of all, I will tell you about HTML. So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And basically, HTML was created in 1991 by this gentleman Tim Berners-Lee. He created a code to build web pages at the time. It was a very big thing. So throughout 90s, everybody was creating web pages using HTML, which was the first version of the code. And then in 2000 and 2001, a new version appeared, which is XHTML. It improved a lot of stuff in the code and made possible to create web pages as you see today. So XHTML is the new version, which stands for Extensible Hypertext Markup Language, and we will learn XHTML in this course. The next thing we will learn is CSS. Now CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and basically it is a style sheet language which we will use to style our web pages. You can also say that the CSS is the styling part of the language that styles your web page, and XHTML will handle the content of your web page. We will get on CSS later on. Let's focus on XHTML first. Now to start your first XHTML code, you will need a text editor. Now text editor for Windows users, the best text editor there is Notepad++. And for Mac users, you can download TextMat. Here you'll get it. And another text editor for Mac users is Text Wrangler. These two are very good text editors for Mac. Now whatever text editor you want, you can choose that. I just suggest these. I will use Notepad++ because I'm using Windows. You can download it by typing the Notepad++ on Google, or you can directly go to the description and get the download link from there. And you will get an exe file like this. Just double click on it and install it. I will not install because I have already installed on my computer. After you have installed your Notepad++, and you can open it, and it should be look like this. Okay, this is Notepad++. It is a simple editor but very powerful, a very complete editor. You have a lot of support for several languages such as C, C#, C++, COBOL, etc. A lot of support. So it is very complete text editor. I will use this text editor throughout the course, and this is what you need: a text editor and a browser, and you're ready to go. In the next video, we will learn how to create our first XHTML code. If you have any suggestion or question, you can just write it on comment section. And that is it. Bye.